And because the table set Cliffhanger was put on the 35th week of 1994. Yes, I'm gonna watch this film. This is one of the last TriStar Pictures films from the following previous after Volume Motion Picture Association America.
Did you assault Santiago with the intent of killing him?
No, sir.
What was your intent?
To train him, sir.
Tom Cruise, Jack Nicholson, Demi Moore, Kevin Bacon, Kiefer Sutherland, in a Rob Reiner film.
Son, we live in a world that has walls, and those walls have to be guarded by men with guns. Who's gonna do it? You?
I want to slam dunk this guy.
A Few Good Men, rated R.
Following previous after Volume Motion Picture Association America.
I'm planning to kill the president. They share the world's most dangerous job, where anything can happen. You're afraid?
Afraid of making a big mistake.
In the rush of the crowd.
Best thing they can try. I've got to be there.
In the blink of an eye.
You really have the guts to take a bullet.
In the heat of the moment.
I think maybe you're too close to all this, Ray.
Clint Eastwood, John Malkovich, Rene Russo, In the Line of Fire. A Wolfgang Peterson film, rated R.
Cliff